Hi everyone, it's Nat from Studio Hacks, and in this video I have a very special discount for Pictory AI. I am now a Pictory AI VIP, which means that I have referred enough customers to get access to their VIP affiliate program, and that enables me to give my viewers a special discount for Pictory AI. If you want to skip everything and just grab the discount code, if you just want to go get Pictory AI now or just try it out for free, the code is Sonic85. You can use that at the checkout, or you can click on the link that I've got in the description and the pinned comment of this video, and that will take you straight to Pictory AI and apply that discount for you. So Pictory AI, if you're not familiar with it, I've been using it for about 3 or 4 months now to make automated videos for my social media and turning basically blog posts into long form videos, or just taking a quick bit of text from ChatGPT or anything like that and turning it into videos. You can make quick videos that are like short form for TikTok and things like that. And I've been promoting this as an affiliate. So you can go to their website, and I'll leave a link in the description as I mentioned. You can see what other people are saying about Pictory, how they've used it. But what you get is a complete video marketing toolkit. So you can take long videos and turn it into a quick snappy little video for your social media or for an ad if you're promoting your own product. You can also make really good sales videos for like Facebook ads, basically any social media. And if you want an in-depth detailed tutorial of Pictory AI, I have also made a couple of other videos about how to actually use it, so I will leave the links to those videos in the description of this video as well. But my favorite feature is the blog post to video, and also the way that they can, instead of doing a voiceover like I'm doing here, you can get an AI to just read it out with a really convincing sounding voice. So if you don't have a nice microphone, or if you're not comfortable getting in front of a camera and speaking, you can have this, basically an AI avatar speak on your behalf. You can see what other people are saying about Pictory AI. Basically, if you go over to the Pictory pricing section, you'll see that you can actually sign up for the standard or the premium, and you can pay annually and you get a discount. If you pay that month to month, it's a little bit more, but with the link that I give you, see these prices, if you pay annually, you'll save 15%. You will get a further 20% off of that price. So with my link, you'll actually get a 35% discount altogether if you select the annual plans, and a full 20% discount if you just want to try it out for a month and do like a 1-month standard or a premium standard. So I've been a paid subscriber of Pictory for about 4 months now, and I'm using it to make lots of income online. It's a great tool for anyone who's doing a YouTube account, social media, TikTok, anyone who's got a blog, anyone who needs to make quick videos. And full disclosure, as an affiliate of Pictory AI, obviously if you sign up using my link, you will get your 20% discount, and I will receive a commission, an ongoing commission for as long as you are a customer. So that's why I've made tutorial videos on Pictory, to see if anyone who's interested in it would like to see how it works before they buy, and also providing them with a special discount. So it's a win for you and it's a win for me. So you'll see here, this is the link right here that they have given me, my special affiliate link that will give you a 20% discount coupon when you sign up. But if you want the discount code for Pictory AI, just the code, it's this one right here, Sonic85. So it's really great to be partnering with Pictory AI and being able to bring this discount to you. We use all sorts of AI tools here at Studio Hacks, and anything that I use and have found helpful, I will be doing a tutorial on that, or I'll give you my review and let you know what I think. So as far as AI video tools, Pictory is absolutely one of my favorites. I've been using it to create TikTok content for my Facebook page and my YouTube channel. I hope you found this content valuable. Make sure you do subscribe to our channel for all our future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.